We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the Airtag Wallet for men with money clip, a smart, slim pop-up credit card holder with magnetic closure and RFID blocking, available from the Miyozi store. If you own this wallet, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Airtag Wallet for men has quickly gained attention for its blend of modern security features and practical design. Measuring just under an inch thick and weighing 5.71 ounces, this wallet aims to combine slimness with functionality. It is designed to hold up to 10 cards, features a metal case for durability, and includes a flip mechanism for easy card access. The RFID blocking layer is intended to protect your personal data from electronic theft, while the integrated money clip and magnetic closure add extra utility. One of the standout features of this wallet is its compatibility with Apple AirTag, allowing users to track their wallet in case it is misplaced. The AirTag fits securely into its designated slot, ensuring that it is not easily removed, even by curious children. This is a significant advantage for anyone concerned about losing their wallet or having it stolen. The peace of mind provided by the AirTag integration is a recurring theme in user feedback, with many appreciating the added layer of security. In terms of card storage, the wallet is praised for its capacity. Users report that it comfortably holds more than 10 cards without feeling overly bulky. The pop-up mechanism is a highlight, allowing for quick and easy access to cards with the press of a button. This feature is especially appreciated by those who have struggled with traditional wallets or other minimalist designs where card retrieval can be cumbersome. The slide card pocket and leather slots are tight enough to keep cards secure, which some users see as a benefit, particularly for preventing accidental loss or theft by children. However, this tightness can make it slightly challenging to remove cards, especially when the wallet is new. Over time, the slots may loosen slightly, but the initial snug fit is generally viewed positively for security reasons. The money clip on the back of the wallet is a point of contention among users. Some appreciate its versatility, using it to carry extra cash or additional cards. Others find it less useful, expressing a preference for a dedicated bill pocket. The orientation of the clip means that if you attach the wallet to your pants, the cards may face downward, potentially leading to accidental drops if the latch loosens. For most users, this is not a significant issue, as they use the clip primarily for cash or as a secondary storage option rather than as a belt or pocket attachment. Material quality is another area where opinions are divided. The wallet is constructed from a combination of pleather and plastic, with a metal case for added durability. Some users note that the pleather is soft and comfortable to the touch, while others would have preferred genuine leather for a more premium feel. The plastic ejection mechanism is generally reliable, but there are occasional reports of it sticking or failing to eject cards smoothly, particularly if the wallet is overfilled or if cards are not inserted evenly. Despite these minor issues, the overall build quality is considered solid, especially given the wallet's price point. Portability is a key consideration for any wallet, and the AirTag Wallet for men strikes a balance between slimness and storage capacity. While it is not as thin as some ultra-minimalist wallets, it remains compact enough for most front pockets. Some users find it a bit large for back pocket carry, especially given the rigid structure and the presence of the AirTag compartment. However, the wallet's organization and ease of access to cards make up for its slightly larger size. Users who travel frequently or need to carry multiple cards appreciate the efficient use of space and the ability to keep everything organized in one place. The RFID blocking feature is a significant selling point, providing protection against unauthorized scanning of credit cards and IDs. In an era where digital theft is a growing concern, this added security is highly valued by users. While it is difficult to verify the effectiveness of RFID blocking without specialized equipment, the presence of this feature offers peace of mind and is consistent with industry standards for modern wallets. In terms of durability, the wallet receives generally positive marks. Users who have switched from other brands, such as Ridge, often cite the improved ease of card access and the robust construction of the Miyozi wallet. However, there is some uncertainty about long-term durability, particularly with the pop-up mechanism and the pleather material. Some users note that their previous wallets lasted several years, and they are hopeful that this wallet will perform similarly over time. The inclusion of a gift box makes it an attractive option for gifting, and the wallet's stylish design has garnered compliments from others. For those who prioritize functionality, the AirTag Wallet for men delivers on its promises. It organizes cards efficiently, provides quick access, and offers enhanced security features. The design is modern and sleek, appealing to users who appreciate a minimalist aesthetic without sacrificing utility. The magnetic closure adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that the wallet stays closed even when carried in a crowded bag or pocket. Despite its many strengths, the wallet is not without its drawbacks. The lack of a dedicated bill pocket is a common complaint, with some users finding the money clip less convenient for carrying cash. The tightness of the card slots, while beneficial for security, can be frustrating for those who need to access their cards frequently. The plastic ejection mechanism, though generally reliable, may be prone to wear over time, especially if the wallet is consistently overfilled. Additionally, the choice of pleather over genuine leather may be a deal breaker for those seeking a more luxurious feel. Overall, the AirTag Wallet for men is a well-designed, functional, and secure option for those seeking a modern wallet with advanced features. Its ability to hold multiple cards, integrate with AirTag, and block RFID signals makes it a strong contender in the crowded wallet market. The wallet's design is both practical and stylish, appealing to a wide range of users. While there are some minor issues with material quality and the money clip, these are outweighed by the wallet's overall performance and value for money. For anyone looking for a sturdy, functional, and secure wallet that keeps up with modern technology, the AirTag Wallet for men is a compelling choice. If you have experience with this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel.